Hello, fragrance specialists! My name is Chance, welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking a look at another one of our essential oil breakdowns. Today we're going to be going over lime. Much like lemon and orange, I'm assuming you know exactly what this fruit is and kind of how it smells and even tastes in most cases. Lime is super popular virtually everywhere from what I can gather. It's used in a lot of really cool ways in some areas, but we'll get into that in a little bit here. Before we talk about the essential oil, though, I do want to say please consult your doctor before use, as always. You might be particularly allergic to it or something along those lines. Even if you're not allergic to the fruit itself, the essential oil may trigger something, so always err on the side of caution. In any case, let's take a moment here and check out its profile. The scent is most commonly described as having a sharp, citrusy, and fruity aroma. Its most common uses are acne, asthma, chilblains, cold, dull skin, flu, varicose veins. And its method of extraction is, with most citrus fruits, the cold pressed method, and it blends well with bergamot, cinnamon bark, pink grapefruit, lemon, red mandarin, orange, and sandalwood. And as with most of the citrus oils, it is phototoxic as well. That means it does react violently with UV light, especially at high concentrations, so just make sure you're doing a test spot before you go out in the daylight with it. Now let's take a look at its history. The lime is native to Southeast Asia, and its apparent path of introduction was through the Middle East to North Africa, then to Sicily and Andalusia, and via Spanish explorers to the West Indies, including the Florida Keys. Harry Perrine is credited with introducing the lime to Florida, or the key lime to Florida, my bad. It is eaten raw or cooked, used as flavoring, or made into jellies, juices, jams, or marmalades. In Persian cuisine, it is dried and used in cooking. The peel is chopped and used to make a sweet meat. The leaves are sometimes added to soups and used as a condiment in Javanese dishes. Very cool stuff. I really like lime in general. I find it goes really well with chicken, in my opinion. But in terms of the oil itself, it's certainly a fan favorite. It can be overpowering at times, so just make sure you're balancing it out fine and not using too much if not needed. Now let's take a quick look at a recipe here. Today we're going to be taking a look at Grime Away Scrub, which is a cleaning supply. It is 4 drops lime essential oil, my mistake, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons, salt, and vinegar. Essentially, you mix the dry ingredients and essential oil together, and then you add just enough vinegar to make a paste, after which you mix thoroughly and then apply to bathroom tile or drain and scrub with a damp cloth or sponge. Rinse well, and that's really all there is to it. It's a really simple cleaning recipe, but I thought we haven't really done one before, so might as well include it in this video. Now let me know what you think of lime down beneath in the comment section. Mention any thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns you have regarding it. And as always, drop some recipes down there as well. If you'd like to add lime to your collection if it's not already, or if you're running low and you're looking to resupply, I strongly suggest you do so at Rocky Mountain Oils. They're a great company and they do help support the channel. So you will find their links down beneath in the description. That being said, I hope you have a great day and may all of your future endeavors smell divine.